inspiration in craft making and some great shopping hauls and some paper crafting, card making, things like that, make sure you hit like and subscribe and hit the little bell on the side so you don't miss anything. Hey guys, this is going to be a jewelry tutorial. I'm going to make some earrings with the Panda Hall Elite earring starter kit from Beebeecraft.com. They sent it to me. I did the product review and unboxing in the first video, and this is part 2, the tutorials. And it comes with its own jump rings, which is nice. And I pulled out my tools. So we're going to make us some cute little earrings, okay? Pull out some jump rings here. I like these. I'm going to make a few different pairs so you can kind of see, you know, what's what. And these are pretty easy. So if you're a beginning jewelry making person, this will be perfect for you. You know, these are easy breezy to put together, which is great. And these go for $15.49 on the website. And it says it's silver tone brass faceted gemstone teardrop dangle earrings DIY jewelry making starter kit. Includes 16 pieces, drop flat round pendants. Okay, so that's what's on the website. Here it is if you want to check it out. Can you see that? I know it's kind of far away, but so yeah, that's it. All right, so if you want to check it out, definitely do that. It's under DIY set. So yeah, if you're searching for it, that's where it is. Okay, so let's go ahead and make some earrings. I'm kind of excited about these. I like these green. I like all the colors. Let's pull them all out and see, you know, what it is we have. Okay, all right, let's see. Got purple. Oh, I love the purple. A lot of folks like purple too. Nice, simple and easy, you know. Oh, the purple's pretty. Look at that purple. I didn't show the purple ones in that last one, but look at those. Those are beautiful. Kind of almost like a light amethyst. Isn't that gorgeous? I like those. Okay. Let's see what sort of ear hooks we have here. So we have these. They came in the kit. You get 3 pairs of each. So 6 pieces. So those are pretty. And then let's see let's open this. I'm kind of curious about this one. Let's see. Oh, okay. I see. Oh yeah, you get the little balls, which is good because you can have them hanging, which is nice. And then you get, oh, look at that. Oh, you know, I like that. Look at that with the bling bling. Oh yeah, definitely using those. Oh yeah, you get 2 of those and you get 2 pairs. All right. And then you have some lever backs, which is great too. So you get all different kinds. And then you have the backs of the earring to secure them. So you get a whole little set here going. All right. So I'm going to pull out my tools so we can make us some quick little pairs of earrings. It shouldn't take long at all because everything is already done for you. You know, everything is already in the kit. So that's really good. You can open up your jump ring like so. See that? Opened it up. You can put this on, put that on like so for my beginning jewelry making friends. And then what I would do is just close this. So rock that back and forth. Okay. Make sure it's closed, and it is. Okay. And then, let me see. Or you probably have to open this up a little bit. I would open that up. See how that is? I would open this up just a little bit. Let's see. Can I open it up? Oh. And slip the jump ring on here. There you go. Put the jump ring on there and close it up. Like that. Look at that. Oh, how pretty. All right, that's real quick. Quick and easy. These are real easy to make. I mean, you can do it like this too and just close it up. No biggie. It might be easier for some folks who are still learning to try to do this, okay? And then you just close it together with your pliers. And then that's it. All right, done and done. Look at that, easy breezy. You got a pretty pair of earrings, that quick. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Those are gorgeous. Wow, really cute. Ooh, that light amethyst is pretty. Let's see, what other color should we make? I like this blue too. That's kind of different. How about the green? Let's do some green ones. All right. Shoot, we can make all of these. Yep, we can do all of these real quick. All right, let's open this jump ring here. And let's put that on there. It already comes ready for you just to put your jump ring on it. So just slide the jump ring through the hole. Yeah, and that's it. You're done. Done and done. Right? So yeah, you have that like that, those pair. Yeah, easy breezy. So for somebody who doesn't like, you know, like a dangle, they have something short and sweet to rock. Like that. Okay, very pretty. You know what, let's go ahead and finish that. I hate to do things that's not finished. That kind of annoys me. I like to finish up my projects. We all have enough unfinished projects, right, laying around. So yeah, these are easy breezy though, real easy. And for $15.49, you get all this in this kit. That's wonderful. That's a lot. These will make great gifts too. So you can make these for the during the holidays, you know, for Christmas or holidays giving, or heck, even birthdays, anniversaries. This would be great for gift giving. Some nice little small pair of earrings. Put them in a pretty little box and, you know, decorate the box and everything. How cute is that? Somebody's favorite color would be green. Really cute. I love those. Those are so pretty. Short and sweet. Oh yeah, I love these. These are my favorite right here. Wow. You know, I like some bling bling. Let me see. I'll try them on. Oh, these are great. Yeah, wonderful. Yeah. Very cute. Okay. So there you go. Easy breezy. I mean, where can you get, you know, a cute little kit like this for $15, $15.49, and make 8 pretty pairs of earrings? Really cute. Check out Beebeecraft.com because they have this wonderful kit on there, and you'll be very pleased with it, I think. Because I am. Yeah, wonderful. Look at that. Great little gifts. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Wow, look at that. My purple ones, I like the purple too. We got purple and pink. Yay. All right, don't we love that? All right. So we made 3 pretty pairs of earrings from this kit, this Panda Haul Elite kit. That's the name of it. It's from Beebeecraft.com. Make sure you check them out. I will leave the link up, and you can check out the links below. And I am so glad you joined me for this video. And be sure to hit like and subscribe, and definitely share this video if you like it. And I will catch you next time. Ciao.